In this video, you will see how to unbox your i500 3D printer. Cut the bonding straps. Remove the top cardboard cover. Under the top cover, you will find the Quick Start Guide. Remove the top foam tray. The cardboard can be easily opened on one side. Unhook it and take it off the machine, or you can just pull it off the top from the printer. Remove the plastic bag. Unfasten the Velcro band that binds the foam corners and the carrying straps. Depending on the user's height, the carrying straps have 3 different sleeve positions to put the forearms in them. At least 2 people are required to lift the machine. Ensure that you have enough room to unbox the printer to its final location. Firmly grab it on both sides, approximately above the middle point, and lift the machine. Place the machine in its final location and pull out the carrying straps from underneath. We recommend that you do not throw away the straps in the event of possible transport of the machine. Open the door and cut the strips holding the power cables. Plug the power cable on the back of the 3D printer. Remove the protective film from the screen on the front of the 3D printer.